Some people need a brightened teeth. They need a beautiful smile. So in this video, I'm going to share 5 natural tips with you on how to take care of your teeth at the comfort of your home. So if it is a video you like to watch or relate with, stay tuned, grab your peanut. Let me share 5 tips with you on how to take care of your teeth, to brighten your teeth, so that when you are in the public, you will not be shy or you will not be afraid to open your teeth. Okay, so stay tuned, grab your peanut, let's do this. So let's get right into the 5 natural tips that I'm going to share with you. Okay guys, so let's go there. Look at it now. So guys, number one thing you need is turmeric. Okay, how are you going to use it? Mix a small amount of turmeric powder with water or coconut oil to form a paste. Okay, after that, apply the paste to your teeth using a toothbrush. Okay, or you can leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing it thoroughly. So this is all you need to keep your teeth white. Okay, so when you follow these tips that I'm giving you, you are going to achieve a bountiful and a mind-blowing result. This is all you need. This is the magic. Okay guys, so continue to watch this video to the end to get the full gist. Okay, if you don't have turmeric now, go and get your own. Okay guys, so the second thing you need is neem leaf. This is all you need. Another native name for neem leaf is village pharmacy. Yes, because we use the stick for our teeth. We use it to brush our teeth, like the stick of the neem leaf. The stick. Okay, the fresh stick. Yes. So after that, if you cannot use the stick to wash your or to brush your teeth, you can get the leaf like this. Then after you get it, sun dry it, blended it into powder or blend it into powder, whichever way you can put it guys. After you blend it into a smooth powder paste, all you need to do is to add it to your oral care routine, or you can use it directly with your toothbrush and brush your teeth. So that is it. Okay guys, the third thing that you need is bezo leaf. How are you going to use this bezo leaf? Dry some bezo leaf in the sun and blend it into a fine powder. Then after that, you use it to brush your teeth 2 times in a week. Okay, so that is all you need on that. I prescribe and God Almighty do the healing. Okay guys, follow the prescription. The fourth thing you need is sage. Okay, how are you going to use this sage? Okay, you can also dry it and rub it or rub them directly to your teeth. Okay, or you can also blend it into a powder and use it as a toothpaste. Okay, so that is it on that. The last thing you need is clove. How are you going to use this clove? Get the powder and mix it with a bit of olive oil to create a paste. After that, use it to brush your teeth, or you can simply chew the clove for a few minutes. After that, you use water to raise your mouth. Okay, after you use it, so whichever way you can use it to get a brighter teeth, a brightened teeth, or a brighter teeth is fine, because on this channel I prescribe and God Almighty do the healing. Guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? After watching this video to the end, make sure you share it with your loved ones. Okay, to tell a friend about my channel, because on this one I prescribe. Bye bye.